we have another video. We are at Greenfield First Church. So we are doing this like car show they do every year at Greenfield First Church. And let's go look at some cars. You'll see some more of the cars I don't really like.
I think I finally figured out what.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty high up there, isn't it?
You gotta have really long monkey arms.
You gotta have stretchy arms.
Don't move it for real.
How did you come up with the idea to make this truck able to be ridden on with truck?
Well, I went to a few car shows. And I seen kids your size and the same size as my daughter. And she couldn't touch anything. Everybody puts so much money into the cars, you can't touch anything. So my daughter Gracie was getting bored, didn't want to be in a car show. So I thought, you know, if I can get kids interested in hot rods somehow, and then it like click, I'll paint chalkboard paint on it, they can draw on it, I can wash it off before the next car show.
I wonder if there's little speckles of shot coming off of it, and it's driving maybe little specks of the shot come off.
I don't know, I've never been behind
fly
it.
Away.
When we went to the World of Wheels a couple of years ago, there were so many kids that drew on there. When we left, there was a ring of chalk on the floor from all the powder falling off of it.
That's pretty funny, huh?
That is funny. How long have you had this truck?
Way before I was born.
Wow, I've had this truck for 20 years.
20 years?
Yep.
How long did it take to build this truck, including the painting?
About 16 years, I think I worked on it.
16 years.
And I think you drew on it when you were like this big, maybe? Maybe this big? You have drawn on this thing quite a
I
bit.
think since you were about 2, you've been drawing on it.
Yep.
You're probably one of the first ones to get to draw on it too, if I remember right. That's why I'm pretty sure you're this truck's favorite kid. Well, guess what, dude? It's been fun.
Look at this! Ooh! Ooh, what's this? Whoa!
Thanks.
Cool. I just wish we could do something like this.
Do you?
Corvette.
Corvette.
You know why that's like that? That's my wife's initial, CAR. So that, my wife and my Corvette, is the two most important things to me. Remember that. When you get a wife someday, happy wife, happy life. Okay?
So, like, why did you want to have a car for the
car show?
show? Yeah.
I like to clean them up, and I like to take home trophies. Well, you have a good day. All right. All right. Hang in there. Someday you'll race.
Someday I will.
Okay.
It's pretty cool. I need to change.
I'll fix that.
Okay, guys, you will laugh about this. Whose Indy cars wasn't swallowed?